This is the parallel park exercise. You'll be asked to stop before a vehicle and then manoeuvre into position so that you can reverse behind the vehicle, keeping within 2 car lengths and reasonably close to the curb. When ready, you will pull up alongside the subject vehicle within about half a metre. You will get the car ready in reverse gear, complete full checks and reverse back so the back of the vehicles are level. When they are, you will complete 1 full turn to the left, keeping the car slow and checking throughout. When the car is at approximately a 45-degree angle, you will turn the steering a full lock to the right and keeping the checks going whilst maintaining a slow speed. Just before the car is parallel with the curb, you will then begin to straighten the steering wheel so that the vehicle finishes parallel with the curb. You will then stop the car, apply the handbrake and select neutral. If the vehicle is too close to the curb, you will have to stop the car, place it back into first gear and pull forwards to readdress the angle. You will then have to reselect reverse gear and reverse back on a full lock to the right to bring it in line and parallel with the curb. If the vehicle is too far away from the curb, you will have to undo the steering to the left in order to bring the car closer to the curb and in turn straighten to bring it in line with the curb. We will now look at this manoeuvre from inside the vehicle. As you can see, the driver prepares the car, completes checks and moves out into position when clear and safe to do so. When they are alongside the vehicle at the required distance, they will apply the handbrake, select neutral before selecting reverse gear. Full checks are then made and the driver reverses back slowly and lining the cars up at the rear. They complete 1 full turn to the left whilst maintaining observations and when at a 45-degree angle, complete full lock to the right to bring the front of the vehicle in and the rear of the vehicle in line with the curb. Just before they are straight, they straighten the steering, stop the car, apply the handbrake and select neutral. The driver then gets the vehicle ready to drive off again by selecting first gear, completing full checks and driving on when clear and safe to do so.